Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Thursday's math session. So today we're going to do a maths warm-up and we're going to practice ordering our numbers. Then we're going to have a go at making a pattern. Let's get started. Let's just run through all of our number cards first. Here we go. 6, 2, 8, 7, 1, 6, 4, 2, 3, and 9. Okay, now we're going to have a little go at ordering some numbers. So let's have a look on the screen. Let's just practice recognizing our numbers again. 3, 2, 4, 8, 1, 6, 5, and 7. Now, when we order numbers, what we need to do is put the numbers in the right places, and we are going to order our numbers from the smallest to the biggest. The smallest number that we have is the number 1, because that's the smallest number we have from our selection of cards. Now we are going to order our numbers in the right order. So we've got number 1. What number comes after 1? It's number 2. Well done. So I'm going to put number 2 next to 1. 1, 2. What number will come next? It's 3. Is this 3? It's not 3. Good try. It's this one here, isn't it? 3. Let's count so far. 1, 2, 3. Now, what number is 1 more than 3? If you hold up your 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3, and you add 1 more, it will help us know what number to put next. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the number 4. 1 more than 3 is 4. What's 1 more than 4? It's 5. 1 more than 4 is 5. Okay, let's see what numbers we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have numbers 1 to 5 in the correct order. Now let's have a look at the numbers we have left. Now, we have got the numbers 8, 6, and 7. Now, I've got my Numicon here to help me work out which number might come next. Now, looking at the numbers that we've got left, 8, 6, and 7, I would like to know which number is the biggest, because the biggest number will be at the very end of our number line. Let's have a look at the Numicon tiles. Can you see which Numicon tile is the biggest? It's this one here. How do you know that this one is the biggest? Now you can see that it's taller than the other Numicon tiles, and it's also got more holes, hasn't it? It's the biggest shape Numicon tile that we have here, and it's got the most holes, which means that it's the biggest number. We can check that it is the number 8 by counting the spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We know that this is the Numicon tile 8. Let's see if we can find the Numicon tile for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is this the Numicon tile 6? No, it's number 7. So I'm going to match this one here with the number 7. So this one here hopefully is number 6. How can I check that this Numicon is number 6? That's right, I could count it. Let's have a go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 holes for the number 6. Now, we are having a go at ordering our numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we've got 3 numbers left. Now, we can make this much quicker by looking for the biggest number, because we can put the biggest number at the end of our number track. Okay, we know that number 8 is the biggest because we've already noticed that it's the biggest number that we have here. Right, 5, and then we've got some spaces here until we get to the number 8. So what is 1 more than 5? 1 more than 5 is 6, because if you've got 5 fingers and you add 1 more, it makes 6, and I can check that by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 more than 5 is 6, and 1 less than 6 is 5, because if I have 5 fingers and I take 1 away, I've got 5 left. Okay, we've got 1 number left. Shall we put it in place and see if it's right? I'll move my 8 along a little bit now. Let's see if our numbers are in the right order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you for helping me order my numbers 1 to 8. Now this week we have been thinking all about patterns. And today what we are going to do is we are going to look at an artist called Andy Goldsworthy, and we're going to look at his art because he is an artist but he loves patterns. So I'm going to show you a little clip now. Then after that we're going to make our own art using patterns and using things from around the house or in your garden if you've got one. Okay, so this here is Andy Goldsworthy. He is an artist and he likes to make art using things that he finds in nature. Here are some photographs of his art. So here you can see a beautiful creation that he's made using leaves from the woods, I think this is, and some little mushrooms as well. Let's have a look at some more of his artwork. So here are some other pictures of his art. And here he's used rocks and sticks, and these designs are still patterns because can you see they follow the same sequence? They're beautiful, aren't they? These patterns are in the shape of a circle. Let's have a look at some more of his beautiful artwork. Now these are patterns that you can find in nature. These aren't Andy Goldsworthy's art, but they are pictures of patterns that you can find from outside. So here, this is inside of a kiwi and a cobweb. And we've got, I think that's inside of a lime and then a flower. Isn't that beautiful? Now, you could be inspired to make your own pattern using some things that you could find from your garden, or if you don't have a garden, things from inside your house, okay? Now, can you see that this is a beautiful creation here using leaves and things from the garden? And this is the pattern that has been created. It's got lots of things in the pattern. So you might want to just do a 2-step pattern like we have been doing to make it a little bit easier for yourself, because these are a little bit more complicated. Let's have a look though. So we've got leaf, 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 and these look like a very pointy shaped leaf, okay? So there's different styles that you could find. So we've got pointy leaf, pointy leaf, pointy leaf. And then we've got another leaf here that's sort of, it looks like it's spiky. Can you see that? So we've got pointy, 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 spiky, pointy, 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 spiky, pointy, 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 spiky, pointy, 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 spiky. So you could have a go at making your own pattern using things that you could find outside. Now we're going to have a little go at making a pattern using some pictures that I have got. Now, on the page today, on our home learning page, I have uploaded this design for you that you could print out, or you could just draw this on a piece of paper. Now, I'm going to use some little coloured spots, but you could use something that you've got in your home, like you could use buttons, or you could use different shaped pasta, or you could use things, like I said, from your garden, like stones and leaves, okay? So I'm going to make a 2-step pattern first using just 2 things. So I'm going to begin by making my pattern in this zigzag shape, okay? So I'm going to do blue and red. So I started with my blue, red, then I need another blue, and then a red. And then I'm going to continue my pattern all the way along till the very end, okay? So if I was to continue my pattern, it would continue with blue, and then I'd need red. And if I forget what I'm doing, I can go back to the beginning and remind myself. Blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, and blue. Now, you might like to challenge yourself and have a go at making a pattern with 3 colours. So I'm going to try that now. So if I had my blue, a red, and a yellow this time, I've got a 3-step repeated pattern. Let's see if I can do it. Blue, red, yellow. Blue, red, yellow. Blue, red. What will come next? I've forgotten. So what I need to do is go back to the start and remind myself. Blue, red, yellow. Blue, red, yellow. Blue, red. It's yellow. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you forget. Just go back to the beginning and remind yourself and have another go. I can't wait to see your beautiful artwork. Remember that you could use anything from around your house, or you could use some things that you can find in the garden. I look forward to seeing your patterns later on. Have a lovely day, everybody. Enjoy your maths, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.